Hi guys. Are we focused? Yep, I think so. I'm here with a little cheat, and I think I'm going to put this in the tips and tricks playlist. I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, yeah, I'm here with a little cheat. It's theoretically a craft haul, but it's also a little bit of a cheat, so I think the tips and tricks is probably a good one to put this in. Ephemera folder. Basically, it's not. It is a CD case holder, a CD holder case, sorry. But yeah, I'm using it as an ephemera folder. You guys by now will have seen the tutorial on how to make these mini folio folders. I showed this one where I keep my ARTYmaze tickets, and then we made this one on film. But before doing all that, I purchased this because I was in desperate need of not embellishments, ephemera, yeah, ephemera storage. So I bought a CD case, a CD holder wallet case thing from Amazon, of course. But yes, and then I have all my little fussy cuts. That's it. These are mainly fussy cut stuff, but they are tickets and things like that. These are, and I've all labelled them all. I know what they are, but I've labelled them all anyway, because I know what they are and who they're from, but some of them I forget which kits have come from. So them three have come from Tracie Fox as well. They are fussy cut kits and labels and stuff. That's from her antiquity labels kit, and them as well. Some from Nik the Booksmith. They are from Pixabay, just some random ones I typed in and printed out. These three are from Walden, who is on Etsy, but she doesn't sell digitals. I will link everybody below anyway. Vectoria Designs, ARTYmaze, again ARTYmaze. But yeah, but then look at all this extra storage that I've got. It's awesome. I love it. I love it. I've actually used, well, up to the half of one signature, if you'd like, because they're in two sections. So yeah, but it's just so easy. So easy to store and keep everything in one place, and quicker than making the folio folders. I have paper clipped them. Paper clips are now like my new best friend. But yeah, I got fed up of turning pages and everything scooting out all over the place, and especially when it came to the fussy cut things, I couldn't grab things properly. So I was watching a Nik the Booksmith video, and she'd done her own spin on the ephemera folder. She used an actual ring binder folder. And she made her own inserts in the plastic wallets, or Polly Pockets as some people here in the UK call them. Yeah, she'd use them, and then she was saying about bits falling out and stuff, and she used paper clips for them and stuff like that. So I'm like, I need to do that with mine. But yes, so yeah, like I said, it's kind of a craft haul stroke cheat. So I'm going to lump this into the new tips and tricks playlist, where videos are under an hour long, guys. I'm getting there. But yeah, so I just thought you guys might be interested. Yeah, it does the same job. Okay, it might not be as pretty looking and whatever, but it does the same job. Things do still fall out because these, obviously if you put more in, they do kind of bulk out and come away, but up to now I've not had too many issues. So there you go, there's my little cheat, and it stands up great. I got the double one. You can get single ones, so they're only like that big, but I got a double one because I know I've got way more stuff to put in here, way more ephemera and fussy cut stuff to put in here. But yeah, it stands up nicely that way. It lays flat, obviously, you know, you could just have it kind of, oh, and it's actually out there, but you can squish it flat if you wanted to. So if you had a small space, you could push it in and squish it in a small space. I actually have a little tub here at the side of me I'll just move it here, which has got my ephemera stuff in, including my little folders that we made in the tutorial, and I have it stuck in there, not stuck in there, but I actually have mine sat in there, or I did. Yeah, it sits in there nicely, so it's just there to the side of me. But yes, so there you go guys. They come in different colours. I will pop the link below to the listing that I got this from, but like I said, it's on Amazon. They're pretty wide, they're pretty easy to find, but they come in different colours, and I am thinking of getting another one, even though I've got the new folders now. But yeah, so there you go guys, that's my nice short and sweet video. Shock, horror, oh my gosh, a video under an hour. Anyway, thanks for watching guys, and I will be back soon, so I will see you later. Goodbye.